there's many different attachments to the Norwex mop. So here's the mop base, and this is a window pad. I'm going to be doing the windows right now. And you can take this off, and this is the Enviro Wand duster. Replaces disposable Swiffers. Has a handle, and I'm going to put the handle on the mop base with the window mop pad. I have about 8 windows in my house. I have 1 hour before it's dark, so I'm going to attempt to do that in 1 hour. We'll see how it goes. I'm only doing the outside right now. Got the screens off, and now I'm going to be doing that. Anyway, so many different attachments to the mop. So I'm using the window mop pad. It looks like the window cloth, but it's in a pad. If you guys are used to using the window cloth, now you have a handle. I just am doing this real simple. I wet the window down. You got to work really fast, otherwise the hard water leaves spots on your windows. The water is so hard in Arizona that it spots your windows so fast. So I'm going to do this here.